to tell you, Puerto Rico, but you've thrown our budget a little out of whack because we've spent a lot of money on Puerto Rico, and that's fine. We've saved a lot of lives. FEMA and first responders there. We have our military helping. It's very sad to watch how fast, how rapidly they move. We love the people of Florida, and they went through something that I guess the likes of which we can really say nobody's ever seen before. We are there for you 100%. I'll be back here numerous times. I mean, this is a state that I know very well, as you understand, and these are special, special people, and we love them. Was this a good vote? Yeah, the best. He said the best vote of his life.